This one right here goes out to Babs Striker Pose Harris. Or should I say, Striker Nose Harris. Run for cover, it's the nose yogurt spreader. Here comes the sneeze, look, his face is getting redder. Can you take something to make your nose better? Or just give out a few golf umbrellas, fella? So before you blow your face to bits, ask yourself, Flim Flinger, can you do this? Shoot! The Zoom type.